What are timber frame joints? If you're curious about how those beautiful timber frame structures are held together, you're in the right place. Let's break down the fascinating world of timber frame joints. Timber frame joints are the connections that hold the heavy timbers of a structure together. These joints are what give timber frame buildings their strength and durability. There are several types of joints, each with its own unique characteristics and uses. One of the most common and traditional joints is the mortise and tenon joint. Imagine a male end, called the tenon, cut onto the end of one timber, fitting perfectly into a female receptacle, known as the mortise, on another timber. These joints are often secured with hardwood pegs, which are hammered into place to keep everything tight. This type of joint is incredibly strong and can support significant loads, especially when reinforced with diagonal bracing to prevent movement. Another type of joint is the dovetail joint. This joint features a fan-shaped tusk or tenon that interlocks with a similarly shaped pocket cut. The wedge-like shape of this joint prevents the timbers from shifting or separating, making it extremely strong and stable. You might also come across lap joints, where the ends of two timbers are cut at matching angles and overlaid, then fastened together. These joints are often used to extend timbers in long horizontal runs and are easily concealed because the wood grain direction of the mating pieces is parallel. The Birdsmouth joint is another interesting one. It involves a complex cut at the tail end of a rafter, allowing it to extend over and past the wall top plate, providing a greater bearing and attachment surface. This joint is particularly useful for resisting downward and outward thrusts. In addition to these traditional joints, modern timber framing can also use steel connections. Steel plates, bolts, and rods can be used to increase the strength of the beams, especially when dealing with extremely heavy structural loads or larger spans. These steel components can be hidden or exposed, depending on the desired aesthetic. When constructing a timber frame, it's crucial to consider the natural movement of the wood as it dries. The joints are designed to account for this movement, ensuring that the structure remains solid and secure over time. For example, traditional joints are often made with allowances for the wood to shrink and check as it dries. The quality and integrity of these joints are what define a timber framer. Properly made joints can last 4 generations, and the craftsmanship involved is a testament to the skill and attention to detail of the timber framers. In summary, timber frame joints are the heart of any timber frame structure, providing the strength and stability that these buildings are known for. Whether it's a traditional mortise and tenon or a modern steel-reinforced joint, each type plays a critical role in the overall integrity of the building.